While your RV may be one of the larger vehicles out on the road, accidents still may happen. Whether you have an unfortunate run-in with nature or the accident involves another vehicle, you'll want to bring your RV in for body work and repairs as soon as you possibly can. At KA Repair, we have a full-service collision center at our repair shop in DeBary, Florida. We can fix any dings, dents, or major damage done to your RV as a result of any accidents that may occur. We'll get you back on the road in no time, making sure that every part of your RV is functioning as it should. From a completely busted exterior to malfunctioning appliances, our repair team will inspect every part of your RV to determine if it needs fixing for your safety or quality of life. When you bring your RV in to us, we'll have access to all of the necessary tools and equipment to get your vehicle back looking like new again, including perfect paint matching. Plus, if you own an Airstream RV, we happen to be one of the few RV repair shops in Florida to offer Airstream collision repairs. We'll ensure the aluminum body of your Airstream is entirely dent-free. So visit us over at KA Repair in DeBary, Florida for body work and repairs if your RV has been involved in a collision. Visit our website at karvrepair.com to get a free service estimate today.